Are you seeing the number 1111 more often than ever before? That's a huge sign that a major breakthrough is coming into your life. Hi everyone, Robert Zink, Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Life Coach. And today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. We are grateful that you are subscribed to our channel, but we want to remind you to click the bell icon because that's how you get notified of our latest video. We're here Monday through Friday to empower your life, but we also do some live videos on the weekends. So click the bell icon. Something amazing, astonishing, I believe is happening. More people than ever before are seeing the number 1111. And I think a big breakthrough is coming. Perhaps a breakthrough on an international level, but certainly a breakthrough on a personal level. If you are seeing the number 1111, if you're waking up and there it is, 1111 on your alarm clock, 1111 on your computer, 1111 on your watch, 1111 on the license plate number in front of you. You get an address to go to. Turns out to be 1111. I mean, everywhere you go, it's like the universe is knocking on the back of your head saying, 1111, 1111. So what does 1111 really mean? 1111 is, if you look at the ancient teachings of Hermetics and the Kabbalah, 1111 is about a new beginning in the four worlds of manifestation. There are four worlds of manifestation, from the highest world, the Godhead, all the way down to the physical world in which you and I live. There must be a manifestation in the first world in order for there to be a final manifestation in the physical world. That's why the ancient Emerald Tablet of Hermes states, as above, so below. 1111 is letting you know that new manifestation, new beginning, new energy, breakthrough energy is happening at the divine level. It's happening at every level below the divine, all the way down to the physical level and into your life. Something big is about to happen if you're seeing the number 1111. And as I said earlier, I believe that more people are seeing this number than ever before. Carl Jung said that synchronicity is ever present for those who have eyes to see. If you have the eyes to see the number 1111 on a repetitive basis, then you are opened up. You are opened up. Perhaps your third eye is open. I'm not certain. But you are open up intuitively to seeing messages from the infinite field of potential or the universe. And if you're seeing it on a regular basis, it's coming into your life. The universe is speaking to you about something that is big. So, to try to understand what the universe is talking about is to understand what your intentions are. And if you have one real important, major intention in your life that you're focused on right now, 1111 is a sign that a major breakthrough is about to take place with that intention. New opportunities are opening up to you, and that's incredible. And you might find opportunities in every area of your life, but in the area of where you have your intention placed or your deepest desire, that's where you're going to find major opportunities opening up. Thoughts and feelings are growing in power. Now, what do I mean by this? Thoughts and feelings are growing in power. That means if you're seeing the number 1111 regularly, 1111, and you're seeing it all the time, it's an indication the universe is speaking to you. And the universe is saying, Robert, your thoughts and feelings are growing and manifesting power. In other words, be careful of what you think, be careful of what you feel, because you are now able to manifest. You have a window of opportunity in which to manifest more than you've ever manifested before. Easier, with less resistance. Everything is flowing in the direction of your dreams and goals. Now, that window won't remain open forever, high flyers, because everything vibrates. So the window is open right now if you're seeing 1111. Now is the time to take advantage of it. Now is the time to take action. Remember, there is no attraction without action. Intentions are manifesting faster and easier than ever before if you are one of the people that are seeing the number 1111. This is a huge time for you. You don't have time to go back to bed. You don't have time to sleep in. You don't have time to watch cartoons. This is action time. This is manifestation time. This is writing down your goals time. This is bringing things into your lifetime. Oh, yeah. And you have a spiritual influx pouring through your energy field, through your body, through your mind, through your life, through the people you touch. A spiritual influx of energy stronger than you've ever realized. I believe that this year, between now and November 11th, I believe this window of opportunity is a huge window of opportunity. But if you're watching this video any other time and the number 1111 is popping into your life on a regular basis, this video is still pertinent to you right now. But to the rest of us, right now, from where we're at in July to November 11th, I see this as a massive window. And if you're seeing the number 1111 during this window period, hang on. Oh yeah, this is big. This is massive. You are a manifester. You are a co-creator. This is your time. Grab on, hold on tight, because you're going for a ride. Have a great day, because you absolutely deserve it. Bye-bye now.